Hi everybody, today we are going to do an unboxing video. Today we are going to unbox a Zhiyun Smooth X. It's a mobile phone gimbal. Wow, come, let's unbox it now. USB-C cable. There are instructions on how to release the gimbal over here. Okay, first you need to unloosen this. Turn the gimbal this way up and then tighten it back. Ta-da! Turn the gimbal holder to this way. Follow the arrow to insert your phone. Let the gimbal stand upright and balance it by pushing left or right. Next, download the Zhiyun Cami app and launch it. Thereafter, turn on your gimbal. Hold until you see the green light and blue light. Yep. Immediately, file device. Press connect. Wow, connection is done. It's that simple. You can actually control all the record buttons on the gimbal without touching the phone. By pressing this, you can do record, and by pressing this, stop recording. If you want to change to camera mode, you can just tap this twice and it becomes a camera, and you can start snapping your photos away. Okay, let's get back to the video mode. Now it's in landscape mode. But if you want to change it to portrait mode for Instagram, you can just press this M button twice. Okay, the joystick here is for you to tilt left or tilt right. Yep, get the angle that you want. And there's this zoom in and zoom out button here. Wow. So by going down, T is zoom in and W is zoom out. You can change your video resolution here. You can shoot up to 4K, 60 frames per second. Okay, I think this depends on your mobile phone as well. Yep. Okay, and you can choose your setting over here, your ISO, your shutter speed, and even your EV. You can even turn on off your flash, adjust your white balance over here, and also gimbal speed. You can actually adjust the joystick speed to be fast, medium or slow. Different kind of mode, PF mode, L or POV mode as well. The next very interesting thing is tracking. It's very easy to turn on the tracking mode by drawing a square on my face. Yep, it recognizes my face. So I can start moving to my right, and the camera will follow, and now move to my left. Yep, it's perfect for self-filming. The coolest thing about this gimbal is you can extend and become your own selfie stick. Isn't it this cool? If you like this gimbal, you can pre-order it at Zhiyun SG official store in Shopee. It's selling at $99. Let me explore more on this gimbal, and I'll come back with more videos. See you in the next video.